Introducing ITICnxt. ITICnxt represents a complete overhaul of online ticketing, created to maximize the user experience and minimize superfluous action, such as multiple click-throughs and screen adjustments. The new ITICnxt will be a one-stop shop for all your favorite OCC online ticketing modules, including iTick, Locator Ticket Management, and Search and Status. Let's take a look. At the top of the screen, you can access the Ticket Search function, formerly referred to as Search and Status. As usual, numerous search parameters are available. If your account has privileges for multiple states, you can choose a specific state through the drop-down menu. Incoming messages can be viewed here. Access your account settings here. This is also where you can log out when your business is concluded. The navigation bar on the left side of the screen provides quick and easy access to whatever functions you require. All OCC web-based products can be accessed through the navigation bar. Clicking the My Tickets button will connect you with a complete list of tickets filed by your account. The I Want To drop-down menu provides a shortcut to commonly used ticket actions, such as canceling or updating a ticket. You can also click Create Job Ticket to immediately begin a new locate request. Ticket creation has also been streamlined, but we'll come back to that in a bit. The information displayed on the ticket list is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor your user experience to your specific needs. Clicking the individual ticket number will display the entire ticket, including location information, mapping, and utility notification list. All of the functions you are used to are still available, now presented in a more streamlined, user-friendly manner. For example, the View Ticket screen allows you to set internal statuses, upload file attachments, or cancel the ticket in question. You can also create a print-friendly version of the ticket, convert to PDF, or email a copy of the ticket. Now let's discuss how to file a locate request. First, return to the My Tickets menu. Make sure the correct state is selected using the State drop-down menu on the My Tickets page. To start a new locate request, open the Create Job Ticket menu and select Normal Ticket. With ITICnxt, you start the locate process by locating and identifying the worksite on the map. Enter an address or name of a building in the Starting Address Location field. Once you have found the correct location, you can start mapping out your worksite. You will do this by creating one or more shapes on the map that represent your excavation area. These shapes are called excavation entities. Access the Drawing Tool menu to select the drawing tool you would like to use. You have several options available to ensure you can precisely and accurately cover your worksite. Let's take a look at them now. The Radius Excavation tool allows for the placement of one or more circular excavation entities. Selecting this tool will prompt you to enter information about the proposed dig site. All fields are required. You may then place your circle by clicking on the map. Placing additional entities on the map may require additional information. To select a new tool, click the Draw Tool menu button. The Route tool is used for creating long and narrow excavation entities and is ideal for jobs such as sidewalk repairs or utility line installations in areas without established roads. As with the Radius tool, you will need to enter a series of information about the worksite. Once you have entered the required information, you can start creating your route by clicking on the map where you would like to begin. Continue clicking until you have reached the end of your route. Then double-click on the final point to finish drawing. If your route is not wide enough to cover the work area, don't worry. You can edit the route's width after you've drawn it. We'll come back to that in a moment. The next tool is Property Excavation. This tool allows you to use parcel data to map out the work area, and is a good choice for work that is taking place at a specific address. Click the area of excavation. Review the list and choose the best option or options for your worksite. Then click OK. The Other tool allows you to freehand draw an excavation entity. The Other tool is intended as a last resort and should only be used in situations where no other excavation entity will properly cover the dig site. Click on the map where you would like to begin. Continue setting points until you have encompassed the entire work area. To close out the polygon, click on the same point where you began. You will be presented with the polygon information form. The street, cross street, marking instructions, and driving directions information are all required. If there is an address, enter it in the address field as well. Similar to property excavation, the Feature tool allows you to create excavation entities based on available map features, such as roads or highways. The Feature tool is perfect for projects taking place in and along road rights-of-way, such as utility main installations or road repairs. After entering a width, start by clicking on the road at the beginning of your worksite. To finish mapping, make a second click at the end of your worksite. You can also modify or delete polygons you have already drawn. First, make sure you do not have a drawing tool selected, then click the polygon in question. This will bring up that polygon's information menu, where you can edit the existing information or delete it altogether. When you are ready, click Next. ITICnxt automatically calculates the most efficient way to break up or combine the excavation entities you have created and assign them to locate requests. In this example, ITICnxt has determined that 4 tickets are required to cover the excavation areas. These tickets are represented by the tabs in the upper left area of the screen and are temporarily named Ticket 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, and 4 of 4. If you see a red exclamation point, it means the ticket is missing required information that must be entered before the ticket can be submitted. There will be a matching exclamation point in the section where the information is missing, and a red border around each required field that is empty. Fill out the information on each ticket as accurately as possible. ITICnxt automatically generates the location information based on the mapping and information you entered on the previous page. It should describe the entire work area in great detail. If marking instructions or other location information is incomplete, be sure to enter any additional information in their corresponding fields. However, if marking instructions are inaccurate, double-check your mapping. If necessary, you should return to the mapping stage and remap the area. If you run into trouble, remember to consult the map on the right side of the page. When you have finished filling out and reviewing all of your ticket's information, click the Next button. This will take you to the Review and Submit page. Here you can choose to edit, save, delete, or submit any ticket on the list. Choosing Edit will reopen the ticket to allow for changes. The Save function will store the ticket in our online database for later use. Delete will delete the ticket altogether. Finally, the Submit function will release the ticket to the affected facility operators. Please note, the Submit option is the only way to release the ticket for a locate request. Choosing the Delete, Edit, or Save function will not release the ticket to the affected utilities. Once your tickets are submitted, you will be presented with the utility notification list.